Integration model 2 small a. This is different model. First problem, integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos 2x dx. Second problem, integration 1 by 2 minus 3 cos 2x. Third one, integration 1 by 1 plus sin 2x dx. So I am taking here first one, solution lo given integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos 2x dx. So here actually what happened here, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Suppose he is given sin 2x, what happened here, 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. So here this one, substitute here cos 2x is equal to what happened, this one. So integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 into 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x dx. So next step what on here, put just tan x is equal to t. What is the differentiation tan here, sec square. That means here sec square x dx, that is equal to here dt. Next here dx is equal to dt by sec square x. Again dx is equal to dt by 1 plus tan square x. Why I am taking here 1 plus tan square? Actually we have a formula, sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So here dx is equal to dt by 1 plus t square. Why? Actually here I am taking here tan x is equal to t. So substitute here dx is equal to dt by 1 plus t square. Substitute here tan x is equal to t and dx is equal to dt by 1 plus t square. So here integration 1 by 5 plus 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Here dx is equal to dt by 1 plus t square. Again integration 1 by what is the LCM here, 1 plus t square. So here 5 into 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square dt by 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square cancel. Here why here multiply, here divide. So this one cancel. What is the remaining here? Next step, where integration 1 by 5 into 1 here 5 into t square 5t square plus 4 minus 4t square dt. So integration here 1 by remaining here 5t square minus 4t square. What is the remaining here? T square. 5 plus 4 here 9. So integration 1 by t square plus 3 square dt. Why here 9 is equal to here 3 square. What is the formula here? Actually integration 1 by x square plus a square, that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. But here x is equal to, comparing here, x is equal to t and a is equal to 3. So substitute here. Actually formula 1 by a. So here 1 by 3 tan inverse t by 3 plus c. So here 1 by 3 tan inverse, what is the t here? Here actually here t is equal to tan x. So substitute here tan x by 3 plus c. So totally therefore 1 by 3 tan inverse of tan x by 3 plus c. Remaining two problems, try this here. Integration 1 by 2 minus 3 cos 2x dx. Integration 1 by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Next problem, below first one here, integration 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx. This is our problem. Solution given integration 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx. Here sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Suppose E is given sin 2x here. What is the formula here? Sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x. Sorry, sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. But difference here is given sin x, so here 2 tan x by 2 I am taking here by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So substitute here, that implies integration 1 by 4 plus 5 into 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. But I am taking put here tan x by 2 is equal to t. What is the differentiation tan here? Sec square. So here sec square x by 2. Again differentiate x by 2. Here 1 by 2 dx, that is equal to dt. So here dx is equal to 2 dt by sec square x by 2. Dx is equal to dt by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Here substitute here tan x by 2 is equal to t. So here dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Substitute here tan x by 2 is equal to t and dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So here that implies integration 1 by 4 plus here 5 2t by 1 plus t square 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Next LCM here, what is LCM here? 1 plus t square, 4 into 1 plus t square plus 10t by 1 plus t square. Here also get cancelled, 1 plus t square 1 plus t square, remaining here 2 into integration of 1 by 4 plus 4t square plus 10t dt. 2 into integration 1 by, next here 2 into integration, finally here 1 by 4t square plus 10t plus 4 dt. So here 4t square plus 10t plus 4. So what is the common, what is the coefficient, t square coefficient here? 4. I am taking this one common here, t square plus 10t by 4 plus 1. So here 4 into t square plus 5t by 2 plus 1. Again convert this one, t square plus 2 by 2, multiply and divide here, 2 by 2 into 5t by 2 plus 1. T plus 2 into 5 by 4 into t plus 1, 4 into t plus 2 into t into 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 1. Solution here 4 in this one t square, sorry here this one t square plus 2 into t into 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 whole square. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here completely this is a plus b whole square minus 25 by 16 plus 1. Here t plus 5 by 4 whole square plus here 16 plus 1, here 16 into 1, here 16 minus 25 by 16, t plus 5 by 4 whole square, this one remaining here minus 9 by 16. So substitute here 2 into integration 1 by 4 into complete, substitute here 4 into bracket of, that means bracket of t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square. It is in the form, okay, let me conclude here. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are, remaining here 1 by 2 integration 1 by t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square. It is in the form of integration 1 by x square minus a square dx, that is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. So here x is equal to t plus 5 by 4. Here a is equal to 3 by 4. Substitute here. Already here 1 by 2, 1 by 2a. Here a is equal to 3 by 4 log of x minus a by x plus a. So here t plus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 by t plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here 2 2s are here 4, 4 into 3 by 4 log of this one, remove the bracket here. So t plus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 remaining here t plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So next here 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3 log of, what is the LCM here? 4. This is 4t plus 5 minus 3 by 4. Here also same. Here 4 get cancelled here. What is the remaining here? 1 by 3 log of 4t plus 2 by 4t plus 8 plus c. Here 1 by 3 log of, what is the common actually here? 2. So here 2t plus 1 by, here also 2t plus 4 plus c. Finally here 1 by 3 log of 2t plus 1 by 2t plus 4 plus c. Here actually here t is equal to tan x by 2. Substitute here 1 by 3 log of 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan x by 2 plus 4 plus c.